Mercedes-Benz is very confident about China, both the economy and the market. This is the biggest and the fastest growing market in the world, and we've been here for many years. The relations with China are super important. The German economy and the Chinese economies are great trade partners.
All taking shape, and it's happening amazingly fast. It will produce Scania trucks for China and for export. As you can see from our big investment, we attach a lot of importance to the China market. We believe very much in the transformation of the Chinese economy that is now going on, away from a focus on quantity towards a focus on quality, sustainability and efficiency. And that's exactly where our products play a very important role.